everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing good at your home. So welcome to today's computer lesson. Today we are going to start our chapter number 5, and we completed our chapter number 6 in before the winter vacation. So now we are going to start our chapter number 5, that is Introduction to Scratch JR. We are going to discuss about what is Scratch JR. So basically, Scratch JR is a programming language that allows young children to create their own interactive games and stories. अगर आप लोगों ने if you want to create your games, your interactive if you want to create any type of story, then you can use the Scratch JR. Basically, it is a software that is used to create the games without any coding. You don't need any coding to do uh, uh, in this software. You just use drag and drop option to create your own story, to create your own game. So now we are going to start our lesson. So before going to before open the software, I would just want to say something. What is you have to learn what is Scratch. So it is an interesting and very fun program that is used that help us to create or make the games. We can create the cartoons, we can design animation, we can tell the stories using a computer. The best thing about the Scratch is that we don't need to type the code. As I said earlier, we don't need to write any kind of code when while we and you are using the Scratch JR or and this software. Okay, so today's lesson is about the Scratch interface. In this lesson we will discuss and we will learn about the interface of the Scratch. So basically, interface means all the parts of Scratch that we see on the screen. जो जो चीजें हमें स्क्रीन पर शो होती हैं, that is known as the interface. Okay, so there is another question, that is what is Scratch. So it is a programming tool. Again, I am telling to you that it is a programming tool that is used for for the beginners to create their stories, especially for children to create their stories, to create their games or any kind of thing without any coding. सो स्क्रैच हेल्प अस, आपकी जो स्क्रैच है वो क्या हेल्प करता है? इट हेल्प अस टू इम्प्रूव आर लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, आर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. ये हमारी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को इम्प्रूव करता है. इट हेल्प अस टू इम्प्रूव our creativity. If we want to increase or our creativity, then we can use the Scratch. It will help us to solve the it help us to increase or improve the problem solving skills. आपकी जो problem solving skill है उसको increase करते हैं, उसको improve करते हैं. Is it clear to everyone? The second thing is Scratch interface. Now we are going to open the Scratch. This is the desktop and here is the Scratch. We have double click on it. हम इसके ऊपर double click करेंगे and then you can see that now the Scratch is loading. After some time it will open and this is the main interface of the Scratch, या आप लोगों का interface है Scratch का. And now we will discuss about these interface. So there are basically five parts of the Scratch interface. The first one is stage. This one is the blank area is known this one is the stage. So what is stage? The stage is the area where animation and are shown. ठीक है, sprites move, games are played. जहाँ पर when it is the area where we going to show something, we are creating our games or stories. It is the area where we show the animations, where we show the characters, is known as the stage. So this is your stage. This area is known as stage. And after that the second is sprite. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या है? The character. The character is known as the sprite. For example, this cat is known as sprite here. So now look at here. यहाँ पर आपको नजर आ रहा है लास्ट पर sprite and there is a plus option. Choose any type of sprite. आप यहाँ से कोई भी character है उसको choose कर सकते हैं. So now look at here. There are a lot of sprites here. There are a lot of characters here. So now look at here. There are a lot of sprites or characters here. There are a lot of a lot of characters. They are animal. There are some animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, and there you can choose anyone from here. Now look at here. There are a lot of characters. For example, I am choosing this one, a dinosaur. Okay, so you can now you can see here the dinosaur is overlapping the previous character. So how you can fix this situation? You can remove the previous one. For example, I am going to remove this hand character, and how we can delete it? Simply you have to select the character first, and then you can see here there is a bin with a cross mark. You just need to click on it, and it will delete your sprite or character. Okay, now basically sprites can move, jump, talk, and change. We can change the costume of the character or sprite, and we can add the sound on this character. So now we will discuss how we can customize their costumes, how we can change their costumes. So first you have to click on the sprite or a character, and then you can see here there is a option that is costume. So you have to click on it, and now you can see here and there is a brush. You can draw any type of character here, or any type of pictures here, and after that you can add the rectangle, any kind of shape here. You can add the text here, and the last one, you can change the color of this character, this dinosaurs. So for example, I'm going to change this color. You can first of all you have to select a color from here. For example, I'm choosing this one, or the red one, and after that you have to select the area where you want to choose this color. uh, Add this color now. Same for this one and this one. Okay, now you can see here how we can change the color of the dinosaur. Now look at here. There this मैंने यहाँ क्या कर दिया है? I made a mistake here. Now I want to redo it, undo my mistake. So what should I do? We have to click on this option, and then so it will correct your mistakes. If you want to correct your mistake, you have to click on the redo or undo option. Okay, so after that we this is how we can change the costume. We can change the color of the character, and after that we learn about how we can add the sound in our character. So you have to click on the sound option, and now look at here, there are a lot of options. Okay, so you can select any kind of sound from here, and then you can change it. You can make it faster, slower, or louder, softer. Okay, so this is your sound. So you can create the sound, you can add the sound from this option, and after that we learn about how we can change the backdrops, or how we can change the backdrop or a background of a stage. हम एक stage का जो background है उसको change कैसे कर सकते हैं? Now look at here, there is only a white area in the background. So how we can change the background, how we can add the background in our stage? So now look at here, there is a option, choose a backdrop. Backdrop is also known as the background. So you have to click on it, and first of all you can search from here, and after that there are a lot of options, and you can scroll down and choose anyone from here. For example, I'm choosing this one. Okay, so basically this is your background or a backdrop. So you can add the backdrop from the very left corner of your screen. You can choose from here, or you can paint your background your own for on your own. ठीक है, आप खुद से भी जो इसका बैकड्रॉप है या बैकग्राउंड है वो यहाँ से क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ऐड, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम यहाँ पर आप लोगों ने फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे क्या किया है, यू हैव टू फिल इट विद द कलर्स. ठीक है, आपने यहाँ पर इसका अंदर कोई भी कलर ऐड कर दिया है, और यू कैन राइट अ टेक्स्ट हेयर. आप यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, class 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then after that you can change the color of this text. You can change the size or the font styling or writing style with the help of this option. You can choose anyone from here. Okay, so now look at here. Whatever changes you are doing here in the background, it will show in the stage. So that's how we can change the background or backdrop. We can, and there are two options we can change in which we can change the background. The first one is you can choose from this application, and the second one is you can draw it on yourself. ठीक है, आप खुद से भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, और आप सेकंड थिंग क्या कर सकते हैं, you can choose from your application. Okay, is it clear? And after that you can, if you want to delete your backdrop, then you can click on the backdrop first, and then after that you have to click on this icon. Is it clear to everyone? First of all, we learn about the stage, and the second one we learn about the sprite, a character that can move, jump, and talk. And after that we learn about how we can change the costume of the character. And the last step is we learn about how we can add the sound of the in the character. And after that we learn about how we can add the backdrop in the in our project, or how we can create a backdrop by ourselves. Okay, so these are some steps. And after that we learn about the block palette. There is a block palette. Now if you click on the code here, so there are a lot of blocks here. There are a lot of colors. So this one is a motion. This one is a motion block. So basically with the help of this word you can understand it is about the movement of the sprite or a character. If we want to add some movement in the character, then what should we do? We will go to the block that is known as the motion. And after that if we want to change some looks of the character, then what should we do? We have to go to the looks block. And after that if we want to add the sound, you can add with the help of this option. And after that if you want to add some events, some functions, for example you want to start your you want to start your project, then you have to use the green flag here. Okay, and after that if you want to change the backdrop, switch the backdrop, then you can do it with the help of event blocks. Okay, after that there is another block, that is the control block. So it is basically if you want to repeat, or if you want to wait, then you have to click on the you can choose it from the control block. So there is an option wait. You can repeat your actions. You can use the forever loop, if and then if or else condition. If you want to add the if or else condition, then you can go to the control block. And after that there is a sensing option. That is if you want to make some if you want to work your projects on the senses. For example, if the mouse will go to the dat character, then what will it perform? Then you can go to the senses block. And after that you can operate the operations. For example, if you are doing making a project that is about a calculator and anything that include the calculations, then you can use the blocks from here. And the name of this block is operation block. Okay, so now look at here, there is an addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction block here, and greater than, equal than, and is equal to signs are here. So basically if you want to do want to make a project that is related to your maths subject, then you can use this operators block. Okay, after that there is a variables block. If you want to set your variables, again if you want to get some input and if you want to show the output, then you can use the variable block here. And after and the last thing, there is my block. If you want to create your own block, if you are using any blocks recently, then it will show here in my blocks area. Is it clear to everyone? There are some blocks. How many blocks? How many type of blocks are there? So now look at here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is 9. So there are basically total 9 blocks here. So the basic blocks are motion block, that is used to move the sprite or a character, and after that looks block, that is used to change the appearance of your character or your sprite, and after that there is an event block, that is used to start the action, or that is used to stop the action. Okay, so after that there is a control blocks, that is used to repeat or wait events, and the last one, that is the sound block, that is used to add the sounds. So basically they are the 5. If I ask how many the basic blocks are there, then you have to say the 5 blocks. And the first one is motion block, loop blocks, event blocks, control blocks, and the sound blocks. And after that, if I ask how many total blocks are there, then you have to say that it is they are 9: motion, look, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variable, and my block. Is it clear to everyone the difference between the basic blocks and the total blocks? Okay, now we are going to discuss the fourth part of the interface, that is known as the script area. So if you are using the blocks, if you are giving some instructions in your sorry, in your project, then you are using the blocks, and if we want to use the blocks, then what should we do? For example, I want to add the green flag here. Then you will go to the event block and simply select and drag your block here, and this is the area where you are inserting your block. So that's why it is known as the scripted area, because you are writing the script here. That's why it is known as the script area. Okay, so you can choose any type of block from here with the help of drag and drop option. Is it clear to everyone now? We will learn about the last part of the interface, that is menu and the toolbar. So now look at here, there is a file option. So you can if we click on the file option, you can see there is an option that is new. You can create the new project from here, and you can load your previous project from your computer, or you can save your project in your computer. For example, there is an project that you have already created, and you want to open it in your application. Then what should you do? For you have to click on this option, and then you can open your project. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so this is all about today's lesson. We learn about the different type of different part of the interface. How many parts? We learn about the 5 part. The first one is the sprite, and the stage. Second one is stage, and the third one is the blocks. Fourth one is, and the last one is script area. Okay, so there are 5 parts of interface: stage, sprite or a character, blocks, palette, script area, menu, and the toolbar. So there are some questions that you have to write the answer in the comment section. So the first one is you have to tell me what is stage. The first question is that you have to write in the comment section is what is stage. Okay, stage or stage area. The second one is what is sprite or a character. The third one is what are blocks. Blocks क्या होते हैं and how many types of blocks are there. And the second question for the block is block palette is how many type of basic blocks are there. The last one is what is the script area. So there are 4 questions that you have to answer in the comment sections. Okay, so today we learn about the scratch interface. In the next lesson we will learn how to move a sprite or a character and create a simple animation with the help of these blocks. That's all for today's lesson. Please practice scratch at home, and thank you for watching, and Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next class.